Hey everyone, my name is Rakesh and welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you know that you can create an app out of your favorite Chromium browsers like Microsoft Edge Chromium and Google Chrome and then pin that to your start menu and taskbar like any other desktop app? You'll be surprised to know that this feature had been there from like 3 years but hardly known or hardly used by people. How many times has it happened to you that while using your personal laptop and you wanted to install applications, but you are bothered that you may forget or miss to update those applications and it can make your laptop really slow? How many times for the people who use their enterprise laptops every day, it has happened to you that you want to install an application in your official laptop, but you are blocked by the company policy as you cannot install third-party application as those are deployed by the company or you don't have local admin rights. Smartphone usage and smartphone apps have really evolved. They are really fast, they have great interface and are highly secure. But what about desktop and laptops app? You hardly see any change there. Pre-pandemic, the laptop and desktop usage was really going down and nobody was bothered about updating those applications or the way applications are being used in laptop and desktops. But post-pandemic, the things have changed. Laptop and desktop usage have increased manyfold like never seen before. And there is a need of the way to change how apps are used in laptops and desktops. There is things that are happening. They are slow and steady, but there's a cool feature or the cool way of bringing apps to the desktops and laptops, bringing change to that app model. This concept is called as progressive web application or progressive web apps, or in short form, you say it PWA. The apps which we are going to create today from the websites and web apps are actually based on this concept of PWA, which you can already use in your laptops and desktops without bother about the security, slowness, or local admin access. Let's now move to our demo. Here I have opened the Edge Chromium browser now, and I go to the settings option or the triple dots option, and there you will find the other settings which are there in Edge Chromium. We will then navigate to the apps, and as you can see, I haven't installed any apps yet, so it will show only manage apps section as well as install these sites as an app. As it's a blank website, so it will not show you anything. Let me go to spotify.com and click on it. As I have logged into Spotify before, so it will load to my profile. You can see here, it logged to my profile. Also, you will find all the related profile related podcast, music, videos and other things. So it loaded to my profile. Now let's go back to the setting option. There you will see again, if I go to the apps, you will now find something called as install Spotify. So now this option settings detects that's a website and you can install that as an app. As soon as you click on install Spotify, you will notice the box option open in the browser asking you to install Spotify app. Let me click on that. As soon as I click on that, you will see it will detach from the website and say that app is installed, and you will see different options and it will give you some information. Best part is that you will see some options similar to that when you install as an application, like pin to taskbar, pin to start, create desktop shortcut, auto start on a device logon. I don't like pinning to start, so I removed it. And now let me click allow. So the app is installed. Now I'm allowing it to pin to different locations. That's it. The app is installed. It is pinned to my taskbar. Now in this desktop view, I can see two Spotify icons. One definitely I have installed from the Windows Store some time back, but I don't know which one is what. So let me open the first icon. It is loading to my profile now. Maybe I can distinguish some options. I cannot. It is so similar to the web interface we just now opened some time back. It is so similar. It has the same interface. It is so difficult. I am just going through, but I cannot find any differences from that of web interface. Let me open the second icon and maybe I can distinguish. Okay, it is loading again. And wow. Pooh. See, that is it. There are no differences or hardly any differences in the two apps. Only way you can find that is in the top. It is mentioned as web player, and if you go to the right side, the triple dots or the settings which are similar to the one which are there in the Edge Chromium, where it gives out that view that it is created from the Edge Chromium. That's it. This is how you can create an app out of your favorite website. Now let me go back to the spotify.com in the browser, and you can see it detects that there is an app already in this machine, and you can open by clicking on that app. The other way is going back to the settings menu, and in the apps you will find now Spotify. That's it. These are the way you can open the app either from the browser or from the taskbar or the start menu, wherever you have created. So this is a way you can now create apps out of your favorite web browsers and the favorite websites. I have created many web apps like that. You can see this is the Twitter one, and here you will already notice that Twitter have a progressive web app created itself. So this icon specifically means that this app which you are now creating from the web browser is actually a progressive web app from Twitter. Many websites like Twitter will clearly indicate they are progressive web app compatible or not, but other websites like Spotify will not do so. But in future, definitely you will find more and more apps which are getting compatible with this concept and this unique app model. In this way, you can create apps from your browser and you don't have to go to those sketchy websites to download the native apps which may be having incompatible security or updates. If you look closely, you might have noticed the apps are actually having the same interface as that of web version, but do stand out as a separate application with its own icon. Also keep in mind that these apps are predominantly online. That means it cannot run offline. But there are a lot of developments happening in this area, and we may soon have an answer for it. Overall, if you want to know more about PWA, I will suggest to visit this video on the top, as well as I'll mention that in the descriptions about Cred Venkat, where he explains great amount details about PWA and the technicalities of it. So now you can go to any website and check if you can create an app out of it, right? Hope you liked the video today. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and let me know in the comments below how you think about this video. Till next video, ciao.